Alright, so today I'm trying to make a costume for a party that I'm going to next week. The theme of the party is extra, as in, oh my god, that's so extra. Basically, me and my housemate Dan are gonna like do a sort of couple's costume where we both go as the extra gum. So I'm going as the peppermint one, he's going as the spearmint one. And I thought it would be a fun video if I just showed how I'm going about making this ridiculous costume. So basically, this is like the start of it at the moment. I've got 2 cardboard boxes. And like, I'm gonna glue it or tape it all together. My head's gonna be here, and there's gonna be like a face hole just around here. And then these are for my arms to come out of. I wanna paint the whole thing blue and like write the extra logo on the front of it. And like, I might end up sort of extending the cardboard bit to fit it all on. But yeah, this is the humble beginnings. This is the start of something great. So yeah, first off, I need to figure out how to get these 2 boxes to stick together. I was going to try super glue first. Ideally I'd have some like industrial staples to like punch through, but I don't, so super glue it is. Okay, so the super glue didn't work, it just ran out. I'll have to think of something different. Alright, so new plan. A while ago I ordered 100 tiny zip ties. By accident, because I thought they were like bigger than they were, but actually they're just like really, really tiny. But I might have finally found a use for them. I reckon if I like punch a hole in here and then zip tie it round, that should work alright. Like sort of punch 2 holes and like loop it. That's my thinking at the moment. Let's hope it works, or I'm just ruining these boxes. Just made 2 holes there. Let's hope this works. Okay, I think that actually worked. You can like see underneath it's like tied up. So hopefully if I do that for here and here, it should be pretty good. Then I'll like flip it over and do the other side, then it should stick together. Alright, so we've encountered the first problem. They just did not hold. I don't know if you can see, like, it stayed in this one, but just ripped straight through this layer. Like, it's not good. I was thinking if I make the holes wider apart and then do more of them, sort of like sewing it across, hopefully it should hold a bit better and there'll be less pressure on each of the little ties. Anyway, let's try again. Alright, so I've kind of like stitched up bits here, like I've done a little bit. I don't want to go overboard because I like do need to paint it eventually, but I've like sort of stitched up these bit here because the box was a little bit weak, but hopefully it should fit. And I reckon I'm going to try it on, I guess. Alright, so now I've got like the actual box bit done. We're gonna like paint it blue and make an actual extra piece of gum. It might get messy. Alright, so we got blue. It's not the best blue, but it is nonetheless light blue, so I'll have to do. That all kind of rhymed. Alright, so I got it all painted all over, just waiting for it to dry so I can stencil in this logo that I had a little practice draw of. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. I don't think it's quite the right blue, but it shouldn't really matter because it's recognisable nonetheless. But yeah, pretty pleased with it. Alright, so it's very thin, but I've sketched out the extra logo onto the thing, and now I've just got to paint it. Alright, so I'm pretty much done. I am covered in paint, just like everywhere. I'm a bit of a mess, but luckily the actual house isn't. But yeah, here's the actual design. It's a bit messier than I'd like, but it is quite recognisably the extra logo. Yeah, I didn't really film any of it just because I got super into the actual painting when I was doing it, but I'm pretty pleased with it, you know? Like, and you can kind of see how this will fold up and my head will go there. It'll just sort of poke out in a little hole, and there'll be an extra piece of gum, like the peppermint one. And this is really dumb, but I kind of love it. I should probably do some exposition or something.
Did you reckon like, is it proper?
Yeah, it's a different day. And we're pretty much done. I'm just filming, I'm doing the face hole.
New addition, we have spearmint as well as peppermint.
Yeah, Dan's going to spearmint and I'm peppermint and it's going to be the cutest thing. Alright, you just going freehand straight away?
I'm just going to fucking free willy this shit. Well, like I said, start small, get bigger, right?
Yeah.
I mean, you don't have a big head now.
I think so. I think that's a good size. That's so ridiculous. It looks mad. I feel that's a bit better. You got your green hair as well. This is so perfect.
Want some gum?
What?
Some gum. Good, right?
And you're going for the full.
And it's like our faces burst out of it. Probably should have done that, that would have been a funny thing to film.
Yeah. Should I do like an extra one bit? I don't know. What do we have to do? What do you even say? We're gum now.
Wanna buy some gum?
See you tomorrow. Past Matt. Shit.